Guys, today we're going to do a cold start on a Bobcat MT100 with the 3-cylinder Kubota diesel. It's currently around 0 degrees Celsius. Let's have a listen, see how this thing fires up. Okay guys, we're going to cycle the glow plugs here until we hear a click, and that'll mean they've fully cycled, and then we'll give her a go. Like I said, currently 0 degrees. Usually takes 5 to 8 seconds. There we go. Let's fire it up.